I love the GT design. Super clean, with not much branding except the logo. Good, nice rails. The design overall is just so beautiful and so elegant. After owning ADV Pro close to 1 year, I decided to get the GT and test ride it and see how it compares to ADV Pro and if it's worth overpaying over the float wheel. And also after seeing Onewheel commercials on Instagram and YouTube, I just couldn't stop thinking about getting the GT. I own Plus and XP for a long time, and GT has overall improved better specs and looks way better, so I decided to pull the trigger and buy it. So here is my GT, and we're gonna swap the controller with the GTV kit, and let's see how it does after. So this is the box you get with the kit, and once you open it, you have the control module and the tools required for this conversion. Some screws. There's something there inside. I think this is the BMS. That's pretty much it. Here's the toolkit, and you have the Loctite and all necessary tools, even gloves included. Wow, look at that. Tony, you're insanely amazing. Look at this. Gloves, tools, Loctite, all nicely done. The packaging is just exactly what you need. Here's the BMS unit, the vest controller. Man, the packaging, it's just simple, straightforward. So now we're gonna install this, and I'm not gonna bother you installation process. Tony has the video, I'll link it down below, and you have all the steps, exactly how to follow, what to do to get your wheel working and converted. So let's jump at that. Yeah, look at that. The motor cable is barely, not even properly connected, so I have to double check that when I assemble it, make sure it's all tight, but all screws are pretty loose, surprisingly. So I have to use Loctite and connect them properly at the end. This is the install video, the link will be in the description box below. You only need to follow the steps exactly as shown in the video. It's super simple. In less than 25 minutes I was all set up and ready to assemble the board back and ready to ride. The whole process is super simple, easy and fast. You don't have to know VASC or install anything. The firmware already set and updated on the controller you're installing. You'll just need to make sure your wheel is fully charged and you are all set to go float.
90 something kilometers per hour. Make sure there's nothing that can be rolled into the board. And now our board is installed with the GTV.
Man, the noise is ridiculous. Look how loud it is. So there's some noise. It's not like crunching and like really grinding. So yeah, there's some noise, but not so excessive like the GT. We're 20 degrees inclined, so I'm gonna go with the GT before the conversion and after, so you guys can see the difference in time. And I'm gonna start from right here from this line. You guys can see, I don't think it's gonna make it, but this is the max I can push, and we're gonna check the time, compare. Now it's full charge, by the way. Oh, when it's fully charged, it does it much better. Okay, time. Let's go. Time. Alright, so I pushed a little more, and it felt better. I think it was like a little bit of cogging at the top. So let's try now with the GTV conversion kit. So now the one wheel is converted. Let's go to the line and see the difference. Time. Let's go. Time. Here's a clip from Surf Data channel where he did a fantastic job showing the difference in the slow speeds and going over obstacles 1 to 2 inches. That is so important.
We will try to fix this GT using Tony's GTV kit.
Made it that time. Watch them say that it's because of these pads on the end.
Don't break it. Don't break it. Don't even mess with it.
That's like, how have they not done anything about that?
All right, moment of truth. Pre-configured GTV.
Oh, it actually works.
Works out of the box.
Oh, no crunch.
Look at that. And no
Nose isn't scraping the ground when I turn.
and
It's
have
already better.
Oh, torque test.
Okay, hold on. I need a good line up. Alright. No problem. Let's try the hard side.
Oh my god.
That was like nothing.
And that's just a hypercore. Not
That was like nothing. Stock battery, everything.
not a GTS motor, not N52 magnets.
Okay, this is the hard side now. I flip it around.
Take the dog out.
In the future motion videos, GT looks amazing because once you get it going faster, you use inertia and you push through the bumps and it works perfectly. But if you're entry level or a novice rider and you average between, let's say, 6, 7, 8 to 12 miles an hour and you're getting used to the board, you'll be afraid to push harder and go faster. And at lower speeds you'll result in heavy cogging or nosediving eventually. Especially if you're like 230 pounds or over like I am. The GTV Power Kit is a plug-and-play upgrade that fixes this problem. It will increase your GT power output from 2,800 watts to 4,200 watts. More than 3,800 watts stock GTS. If you have a GT, it is a must to swap with GTV Kit. It just makes the GT more alive and so much more capable, more fun, more nimble, and so much safer. Also, much better value for the money. You can pick a used GT from Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for like around 1,500 bucks, plus minus. I've seen deals for like 200 bucks, and upgrade with this kit. And let's say if you spend 1,500 bucks, that will bring the total to about $2,050 or less. And you can have the spare kit as a backup, or you can sell the existing parts and lower your cost. The Onewheel, the way it comes, it's an amazing product, but with the GTV kit, you just take it another level. So if you have one, I recommend getting the kit. It's gonna make it so much better. If you don't have a board, if you're looking for a board, shop around on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. You can pick up this about 1,300 to 1,500 bucks, and if you look hard enough, you can get one for like 950, even sometimes 850 that needs some repairs, and you can just swap this kit and have a board that performs at the same level as GTS. Guys, all links will be down below in the description box. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.